Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the Hello Carbot transforming toy that comes with two cars, one pink and one white. The Hello Carbot magnetic cars transform into a unicorn when connected, without the need for batteries of any sort. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. These car robot toys are made of plastic. You can see the unicorn hiding inside the cars when they are upside down. Nice and cool toy. When you push the pink car into the back of the white car, they quickly transform into a unicorn, using one car for the front of the unicorn, and another for the back of the unicorn. When you'd like to use the Hello Carbot transforming toy again, just reset each car. The reset process takes just a few seconds to complete. Please like, comment, and subscribe.